This is Adiba Siddiqui, and my topic is robotic process automation. So, I will give you a brief idea about robotic process automation. So, let's quickly move on to the introduction. So, RPA technology, sometimes called entering data, completing tasks. RPA is the use of software with AI and ML capabilities to handle high volume repeatable tasks that previously required humans to perform. It includes calculations, queries, maintenance of records and transactions, etc. It basically is a software bot that mimics human worker. RPA software is not a part of an organization's IT infrastructure. Instead, it sits on the top of it, enabling company to implement the technology quickly and efficiently without changing the existing infrastructure and systems. Now let's see how RPA was evolved. Although the term robotic process automation can be traced to the early 20s, it had been developing for a number of years previously. Basically, technologies, screen scraping. It is the process of legacy application so that the data can be displayed by a more modern user interface. Workflow automation. The advantages of workflow automation software, which eliminates need for manual data entry and increases order fulfillment rates, includes increased speed, efficiency, and accuracy. Lastly, as we all know, AI involves the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that normally requires human interventions and intelligence. Now let's look at the benefits of RPA. So these are general benefits to an organization. So the RPA technology can their digital transformation journey by enabling better customer service, ensuring business operations and process comply with regulations and standards, allowing processes to be completed much more rapidly, providing improved efficiency by digitizing and auditing process data, creating cost savings for manual and repetitive tasks, enabling employees to be more productive. Now, from the perspective of employees, let's see the benefits of RPA. So as the process cycle times are much faster as compared to the manual process approaches, it is productive. And also, routine tasks are performed the same way each and every time, so it gives consistency. As we know, bots tirelessly work, so it is reliable. Also, bots follow regulatory compliance rules to a T, provide and edit. It processes cycle times are much faster as compared to the manual approaches. Also, it improves employee morale as workers can dedicate more time to engaging in interesting work and other quality works. Also, there is no disruption to underlying legacy systems, reducing the burden on IT. Also, there is no programming skills are required to configure a bot. So these were the benefits of RPA from the perspective of employees. Now let's look at the benefits of RPA from the perspective of organization. So it provides enhanced scalability of solutions. Also, it increases the degree of flexibility. Also, it gives increased efficiency and compliance. Also, it gives enhanced management capabilities, and it involves improved levels of agility. Now let's look at some of the top applications of RPA. Customer service. RPA can help companies offer better customer service by automating contact centers tasks, including verifying electronic signatures, uploading scanned documents, and verifying information for automatic approvals and rejections. Organizations can use RPA for general accounting, operational accounting, transactional reporting, and budgeting. Companies in the financial services industry can use RPA payments, automating account openings and closings, managing audit requests, and processing insurance claims. So in medical organizations, it can be used for handling patient records, claims, customer support, account management, billing reporting, and analytics. RPA can automate HR tasks, including onboarding and offboarding, updating employee information, and timesheet submission process. Also, in supply chain management, RPA can be used for procurement, automating order processing and payments, monitoring inventory levels, and tracking shipments. So, RPA can be used in real-time business processes like storage for ERP transactions, mass email reading and extracting documents, regular reporting, data entry and data analytics, converging of data, graphics, formats of data, and also it is used for repetitive tasks that the employee carries out multiple times a day. So the basic example of RPA can be after installing the bot software, bot starts, it reads the received email, it opens the Excel sheet, Excel attachment from that mail, it enters data from the Excel in ERP platform, and therefore it complete the tasks like employee. 4 steps RPA. So it is basically a virtual employee, and it is not a physical robot, and there is no infrastructure changes are needed. Also, as it is a robot, it documents every step in a consistent way. And also, it can be used in existing applications that usually employees use in a market. Robotic spectrum. So it includes consolidating data from multiple sources into a single view to complete a process. Also, it automates the process by applying technology to manipulate existing application software to complete a process. Also, it works as a virtual assistant, as computer-generated character, which simulates a conversion to answer questions or queries and provide guidance. Also, it gives autonomic solutions, system data as experience. So basically, it uses machine learning and so applies what is learned in required situations. So let's compare the RPA with regular automation. What distinguishes RPA from traditional IT automation is the ability of RPA software to be aware and adapt to changing circumstances, exceptions, and new situations. Once RPA software has been trained to capture and interpret the actions of specific process in existing software application, it can then manipulate data, trigger responses, initiate new actions, and communicate with other systems autonomously. RPA software is particularly useful for organizations that have many different and complicated systems that need to interact together fluidly. If an electronic form from a human resource system is missing a zip code, traditional automation flag the form as having an exception, and an employee would handle the exception by looking up the correct zip code and entering in it on the form. But with RPA technology, however, software that has ability to adapt, self-learn, and self-correct would handle the exception and interact with the payroll. Now let us look at some top vendors of RPA. Automation Anywhere. It provides an enterprise digital workforce platform geared toward procure to pay, quote to cash, HR claims processing, and other back office processes. Blue Prism organizations in regulated industries with more agile virtual workforces, offering desktop aligned robots that are defined and managed centrally. EdgeView Limited, it is an Infosys company, helps enterprises modernize customer service, improve business processes, and enhances operational productivity. Help Systems, it enables companies to streamline IT and business operations by automating tasks and workflows without the need to write the code. UiPath, it offers an open platform to help organizations effectively automate the business processes. WorkFusion, it combines robotics, AI-powered cognitive automation, and workforce orchestration to automate and now let us look at the chief level decision making around RPA. Though automation software is exported to replace up to the full-time employees, coordinate with 2025. Many high quality jobs will be created for these who maintain and improve RPA software. When software robots do replace people in the enterprise, chief level executives need to be responsible for ensuring that business outcomes are achieved and new governance policies are met. Robotic process automation technology also provides that the CTO or CIO take care more of a leadership role and assume accountability for the business outcomes and the risks of deploying the RPA tools. Additionally, CIO and chief human resources officers, as well as the relevant C-level executive who works a process being automated, should all work toward assessing the availability of the enterprise grade secure platform for controlling and operating the bot across the systems. Now, where the RPA market is heading? A global market insights incorporated reports expected the RPA market to reach $5 billion by 2024. The increased adoption of RPA technologies by organizations to enhance their capabilities and performance and boost cost savings will reportedly drive the growth of the RPA market. So that's all. So that is how the RPA will affect the market in upcoming days. So that's all for my side. Thank you for listening me.